subtraction equation. Let's get started with Melanie. Melanie had 10 peaches. Take a moment to draw her peaches in a 5-group way on your personal whiteboard or on a piece of paper if you don't have one. Have you drawn her peaches? If not, you can pause the video. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Melanie had 4 peaches that were not yet ripe. We're going to cross out the peaches that were not ripe. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many of Melanie's peaches were ready to eat? Write a subtraction equation to figure out how many. Have you written your equation? If not, this is a good place to pause the video. 10 minus 4 equals 6. Boys and girls, did you get that equation? If not, fix up your problem so it looks like mine. Let's go on to Chris. Chris had 10 toy cars. You can draw cars or squares to make it easier in the 5-group way on your whiteboard or on your piece of paper. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Have you drawn Chris's cars? Great. Let's mark off 2 of the cars that had no wheels. 1, 2. Alright, boys and girls, time to draw a subtraction equation that shows how many of Chris's cars did have wheels. Do you have your equation ready? If not, go ahead and pause the video. 10 minus 2 equals 8. Did you write that for your subtraction equation? If so, great job. If not, go ahead and fix up your work so it looks like mine. Alright, boys and girls, it's time to make up some 10 stories of your own. You can do this on your own or with mom or dad. Make sure to show your work. Please send me a picture of what you drew. I miss you so much and can't wait to see your work.